Good evening, I'm Ankita Singh, and you're watching the 9 p.m. bulletin on Channel 6 Network. Let's take a look at today's top stories. The BJP has criticized the Aam Aadmi Party, calling their protest outside Delhi CM's residence a display of anarchy. AAP leaders Sanjay Singh and Saurabh Bharadwaj staged a sit-in after being denied entry to the property. The tension between the two parties continues to grow ahead of the upcoming Delhi Assembly elections. In international news, a magnitude 5.5 earthquake struck Qinghai province near the Yellow River in China. This follows a deadly 6.8 magnitude earthquake in Tibet earlier this week and a smaller tremor in Sichuan. The region, located along the Qinghai Tibetan Plateau, remains under observation for aftershocks. In legal updates, the Supreme Court has intervened in the Sambhal Mosque case, directing the trial court to halt survey orders regarding the Shahi Jama Masjid. The Uttar Pradesh government has been instructed to take measures to restore peace and harmony in the area. A hearing on the matter is scheduled for 5th March. Turning to Tamil Nadu, Chief Minister M.K. Stalin reiterated his government's support for the victim in the Anna University sexual assault case. He dismissed opposition attempts to politicize the matter and assured that justice will prevail. In political developments, the BJP is reportedly considering replacing Ramesh Bidhuri ahead of the Delhi elections. Bidhuri's controversial remarks in the past have affected his political standing, including the loss of his Lok Sabha ticket in 2024. On the business front, MakeMyTrip has launched a flexible part payment option for international flights. This feature has gained popularity among solo travelers, couples, and families booking both long and short-haul flights. In Kerala, businessman and jewelry chain owner Bobby Chemanur was arrested following sexual harassment allegations by actress Honey Rose. The state's special investigation team took him into custody from Wayanad after Rose filed a formal complaint. In the United States, Congressman Lance Gooden has warned the Biden administration about the risks of investigating Gautam Adani. He emphasized concerns that such actions could strain the US-India alliance, a key strategic partnership. In California, a wildfire in Pacific Palisades has forced 30,000 residents to evacuate. The flames, fueled by fierce winds, highlight the intensity of Southern California's wildfire season, leaving communities on edge. Finally, back in Delhi, AAP leaders were barred from entering the Chief Minister's former residence amid the ongoing Sheesh Mahal controversy. Both AAP and BJP continue to trade accusations over alleged misuse of public funds. That's all for today's bulletin. Stay tuned for more updates on Channel 6 Network. Thank you for watching and good night.